might have to make part 2 of the video right here. If not, it'd be nice if we can keep going. And I don't know if we're on part 2 of the video or not. Regardless, this has been a great race. Cleanly so far if you're just now joining us for part 2. We're racing at the Open Configuration of Phoenix. This is race 8 of 35 of the championship, all with the, of course, the All-Star races on here. Nascar 07, veteran difficulty. I was able to actually save my fuel. And we saved all the way to the halfway point, so I know we can go toward the halfway point, or actually at the end. We'll see. We went for about 15 laps, so I pretty much know we can make it from here. Because we still haven't got a halfway, we're still not burned half our fuel yet. We should be at any moment now. I like this track. Our team is still not our team is still not winless yet. Our team has won every single race this year. The only thing is I finished 38th in one race, but our teammate right there, sadly, a 38 machine, has literally won the other race. And actually, I think also a couple, like maybe one pole, stole one pole from us. We finished, we qualified 2nd a couple times and qualified 7th once. Other than that, we never had a bad finish or anything. Oh yeah, we should be able to make it from now. We have 10 to go before long. Come on. We can go wide open now, baby. On the 2nd time on this game, and only about the 20th time, or 20th race out of my whole 8-year career of doing this, we're going to finish lapping the whole field down, which I hope, as long as there's no caution. If there's a caution, then one of them's going to get the free pass. One of them might have been my teammate, which I don't want nobody to get a free pass. My race to lose. I'm actually willing just to ride right here, not go anywhere, just ride the ship out right here. So lap times are getting slower. There's the rookie. The one that's dominating right now and has dominated the sport, Denny Hamlin. Our car has gotten better in turn 3 though. We write the history books for 2006 when Dale Jarrett laps the entire field. Can't do it yet though. But I'd love to have that written down. That'd be pretty badass. Just 10 laps to go now. About 10% battery left. Take home the glory. Whoa, rookie. That'll be our last lap right here. We'll be in the green instead of the red. We'll see though. Probably not though. We had some impressive laps put down. Most of them by our Most of them were by, I think Elliott Sadler had the fastest lap though. Spam car almost looks like, was that Kurt Busch? I had to think for a second who that was. One more lifting though, so we can make it. You know, fuel's got to turn orange first. Fuel's blinking right now, even now. Fuel got to turn orange up first. Stuff, fuel for a burnout. He's got to get around all that lap traffic though. You can do that. I don't want them to catch me. Because I want to be able to lap the whole field. That'd be one of the biggest tasks I've ever wanted to do and be completed. I want to lap the whole field in NASCAR 07. I think we actually almost did one time. I don't remember if we did or not. But I think there was a caution that came out for the Cup Series. We'll see though. It's 5 more times around for the UPS Ford. It's been a long race. I feel like the proposed 600 almost. This feels really long. This is the longest. It's going to be the longest race so far of the year. We're good. Come with 2 to go right here at the stripe. Just 2 more times around. I love under the lights. The cameras really pick up well. These older phone cameras do. Now during the daytime though, it's really glitchy kind of. At night is when the magic happens. Love the way the cars shine too at night. There's Michael Waltrip up there, I see. Yes. Yep, there's the 25 right there, Hendrick Motorsports entry. The one that took out teammate later on this year, 2006. That was, I think, Jerry Nadeau or Joe Nemechek. Took out, yep, same paint scheme and everything. Took out one Talladega by taking out Dale Jr. and teammate. Really though, because the DEI borrowed stuff from Hendrick, so kind of like I might pass him here, because this is because what you did whenever you tried to take out Dale Earnhardt, when you took Dale Earnhardt Jr. and Jimmy Johnson out. I'm gonna beat you to the line. Here it is, checkered flag. We cleared him. We win. Woohoo! Yes! Dominant. That felt like a long race. A lot of points rewarded there. Elliott Sadler, teammate, finished second. All right. I want to see the points, though, mainly. He led 10. Wow. That's the whole race. Only led by me and my teammate. 68 out of 78, and then 10. He wound up getting 175 points, I wound up getting 190. So I gained 15. Just 15. Wow. Yeah, we're good. Talk about domination. One more look. Clean racing though. basically, our team dominant. This is the most dominant team, dominant I've been on any NASCAR game. Yeah. We're number one. I love outside being there. We're number one. Best team in NASCAR. I don't know what it is. This has been a crazy year that I could never imagine ever having. It's crazy. I'm actually might even sit down and do an interview. Let me know if y'all want to hear an interview or document of this game, or even want me to come back to it, because everything that's happened so far is amazing. Right now we're going to see, we won at Daytona, and we're going to see how we can do here at Talladega next time. Race 9, Talladega Super Speedway. The Aaron's $4.99. See you guys there. 47 laps daytime. Now see the standings real quick. Here's the standings, guys. We're led by 61 points, now leading by 76. Oh. Let's see. Kevin Hartley, I'm still keeping up. Alright guys, I'm Randall. I love y'all. Peace out. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next great race. Peace out, guys. Love you. Love y'all very, very much.